Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
The humbleness never create a victim. Nabagamba, for example, Raila Odinga created Luto and Uhuru. Nembagamba, they became victims. And that's why Raila Odinga has been defeated. This is why Uhuru was misunderstood. Nakawandi Kawan. For example, the two Kenyan politicians, Luto and Uhuru, who were indicted by the ICC, went to The Hague. The TV images flashed on the international media will eventually satisfy their political enemies. They have traversed Kenya for what they have called prayer rallies. Anybody who goes to God over earthly matters is a sinner who needs mercy, not persecution. Wikitegeera mistake bwolaba ng'omuzannyi wa matatu bwe bamuwangula mu matatu abubala n'abala we yakoledde mistake ekyeso bwe bakutema olina okubala wateze enkaaga wateze eki you must change the kyeso ekibalo. Raila Odinga obuzibu bwe nti ayagala obwa president at all costs. Ne mu Uganda mulimu omuntu ayagala obwa president at all costs. As a result, in the pursuance of the presidents has stepped in Uganda on many toys. These people will gang up against him. Namulabye neggulu nabalabye mu meeting. Bategeka delegation kugenda wa Luto abayambi millions of dollars. But if Museveni has refused to help you and you are close relatives of Museveni, Luto will obviously ring Museveni. Why are your people here? Don't you have money? Ekitegeeza ekyo kifu nabalabye mu video. Kakati nkugamba nti Luto president yagenda mu 2027 e Kenya when Kenya was burning after the elections. Who created the fire? It was Ruto eyayina jesi la muzeeyi eyatanga abantu mu Rift Valley. And Uhuru abachukubi balina mu Nguki nga nayetta abantu. The two people. When they arraigned before ICC, Museveni said he was at Kololo. If these two younger people have realized their mistake and they are working together, why do you continue persecuting them? Abazungu ne bakwata Raila. These people went for prayer rallies. The two of them, Uhuru and Raila, nga batraversinga Kenya, nga bafukamira ne babasabira. Why? The Museveni bwava mu 2007 yagenda mu cargo plane. We traveled by cargo plane. I remember it very well. 2, Museveni yagenda ekigere ekimu kiri mu ngatondo nanga tekiri mu ngatondo. 6 people, but people were sacked. Ndi mumu avuddeko. Probably omunyo not you know magezi n'atasoma. No you know chi. Afuga abantu. I went to the president and I appealed to these people. Your Excellency, when we arrived in Nairobi, we lost control over your photo. Yes. 2, if we had told them, nti tumukwata ekifaananyi ekyo baali kikubye, I know the nature of journalists. Omanyi omuntu ng'oyita ku bbi, omuntu ayita ku bbi n'omugamba nti tolinnya mu bbya ate amutunulako.
Ayinza n'okumulinnya muno.
Ne bw'obagamba nti this is off record. Ate indisciplined journalists kye bakola. Because I was in charge of the Nairobi mission, saabagamba nti mukuba kifaananyi. Nali manyi bajja kikuba. When we arrived in Nairobi, we could not hide that Museveni went in a cargo plane. We could not hide that Museveni yayina engatto bbiri. Nakireka as an expert. Nikifuluma. ne babayola mukaaga ne babateeka akatebe. I went to the president. Museveni is a humble man and I explained. Ne babazaako. They were reinstated. When we arrived in Nairobi, we lost control over the photo. Let us capitalize on it. Omuntu agenda okuzikiza ennyumba ya muliraano agenda musoti. It tells you how concerned you were about Kenya. Museveni listened to me. It reinstated abantu mukaaga mu State House bebaali bagobye mu media ng'ona Peter Balemi. When Peter did not put up a CPT fight, here was akamba tebagende mina bazzaako ate tewali ansasula tewali yaleeta nankoko wange nina batuluya nga batunuuliza. Kakati banning ya Kenya mu 207 Raila baateekawo a government of national unity. Omanyi nagenda e Nairobi ne nfuuka Minister of Foreign Affairs when I realized that because Museveni was shuttling between Kibaki mu State House ne Barairas ngenda okulaba nga bamunyigiriza wayingiriza amagye Kenya wiki bamunyigiriza nagwamu eddalu. I addressed an international press conference in Nairobi as the Minister of Foreign Affairs. I appointed myself nemba kubira ekiraka nemba buuza yo Kenyans mu press conference a minister nenkuba ekiraka. Why are you saying that we have soldiers here? They speak bad Swahili. Nembaga, you are wrong on this. Ugandan soldiers speak Kiswahili as their language. Two, bali buruto batuta. Are you not capable of killing your people? Museveni we have a Kenya. Yabalekere ensonga ssatu. Authenticate elections, amend your constitution to accommodate everybody, and then move ahead. Navayo. Olwokuba Raila Odinga tayagala Museveni, yaleeta be-eminent Africans. Muka Mandela, Joseph Mukapa, na Anani. Anani yali tayagala Museveni. Bamugobe Rwanda Anani failed to save Rwanda from burning. Yali director of deployment. Naye Abanyarwanda yakola party bamutwala emisinde. The commander was a general, a Canadian general, who failed to help gundi Belgian soldiers babatta 10 n'oyo omukazi Wiringimana. Rwanda fell out with the United Nations. Kibola bwe yali Anani nga talinnya Rwanda n'alyoka addukirawo because he was facing retirement n'addukira Kenya. Kakati nembagamba nti Uhuru Kenyatta ne Ruto bafuuka ba victims against Ani. Balonda Museveni nga amaze okuvaayo bakkiriza okola gavumenti eyawamu baateekawo akakiiko akabuuliza who was responsible for the human rights violations. Ne bakwata omulamuzi Waki gwe baagobedda who had anger against government nga bono olenda kundi ani Kayihamba n'akwata amannya 6 n'agateeka mu bbaasi emmyufu a red envelope I've never seen. N'ateekamu Uhuru n'ateekamu Raila n'ateekamu Uhuru ne Ruto bagende Hague babeere disqualified ye aba eliminating mu future election. Najja mu government ya kiba kinagirwaniramu bamu oba minister bwa works yasoka kuba bizimbe by'abakikuyu ebiri ku luguudo gundi oyo Raila. Kakati Raila abasajja bano nabagamba nti for example these people anybody who goes to God temuyinza genda kusaba Katonda ku mataba agali ku Eregoni. Eregoni Katonda yagitonda n'agiteekako emiti n'agiteekako buli kimu ne muzimbako kati amataba kagabatte buduuda. That's not God. If Kayanja tells you that you can pray to God, God cannot be invoked on earthly mistakes. Not at all. Yerwaki yadde ensozi nga tebazizimbako ffe wetwakulira ng'ensozi zibeerako bazungu. The higher you go, the cooler it becomes. Ebiko byonna biri ku nsozi ng'Abaganda batya ku nsozi lwaki kubeerako emisambu. Kakati if you have invaded environment oyo si Katonda. Katonda yabawa to conquer Netherland eri under the sea bakiriminga nyanja. Why don't we have floods in Netherland to kill people tebayina oneeke but Netherlands tebayinza kulonda minister afaanana oneeke kakati nkugamba nti asile matters nenkugamba nti Ruto ne Uhuru bagenze ne bahambulinga themselves. They became victims. Kakati the mistake this man made, Ruto, Gundi, right. Uhuru, to separate himself from Ruto. Abantu babalaba nga mutambudde Kenya yonna
atanga habade kabadi kakusulu mukulu
muno nabeera naawe n'omutamuza mu bakikuyu muli mwenna noddira Uhuru yafuna ekizibu because Obama is the ancestry is in Kenya mu tradition ya America bwoba bakadde bwe tebazalibwa ku ttaka lya America nga gwazalibwa ku ttaka lya America in your second term you visit your home of ancestry. Obama had to visit Kenya not as a retired president but a former president. Nenga tayinza kukyala Kenya because Uhuru was indicted. Raila Odinga yali abala tie Kikuyu Luo in America should visit Kenya when he is in president. Luo to welcome Luo nekimulema era Obama yagamba Raila negwe lwaki tokkiriza akona mulundi na gumu. All of the things we have been demanding to be cause. So ono Ruto Uhuru humbled himself. Naleko obwa president nabulekera munne yamuli amulukwe nagende Hague era nkugamba wano nenkugamba nti asile matters is a sinner who needs mercy not persecution. Gabugo in Ivory Coast came out in a vest to quench his enemies' thirst and to win sympathy from his supporters that he fought for their votes up to the end. In the future, this will be a political asset. Anybody who pursues Gabugo or Ruto and Uhuru will turn him into a political matter. It's the mistake mulimu abantu kambabulire nze ngamba abantu nti omukazi gwotobye naye ne bwomusanga n'omusajja mu nyumba ennyumba gimuleke monobe
lwaki
you cannot win a case against her netuyinza gamba nti omukazi akunobyeko omulumbe newaaba omukube public cannot accept you me amwiruto why bayagala to humiliate me to the bone marrow agende mu president's office nga talina musaala. They had placed me in a group of advisors who don't get salaries. Tomorrow I can give him a job. Can you go to media center? Me to go to media center? Can you go to New Vision? You cannot go to New Vision even as a visitor. If you never before
yavayo kati yali abaletedde obuzi
radio bazijeko basi switches off. They turned me into a victim. Mulalu bukedda nkubya mazeewo bayise nyina bamukebera omutwe muka Mirundi akafudde Kampala mugabulidde Museveni ayise Mauritius abakebere mutabani wo omutwe. A man who has delivered, committed and dedicated service for 14 years. Is it when you check my mental capacity? Nagano gendayo and I'm powerful. I incited these people to make me a victim. That's why my programs are everywhere. I'm the most listened to person in Uganda. Kakati echo Ruto echo Uhuru kyamulema. You cannot rehabilitate Uhuru. What the Kikuyos ate yakola ensobi nga agenda kankubuuze bana omanyirwa ki bwoba oli mulwadde bakazi bo bonna bajja ku kitanda ye mulinda omuwonge yabasalira amagezi yagenda mu intensive care unit talina byagaba era mulindwa tebamulabako bannamwanduube baddawe why nange lwe nalwala nga bampadde obutwandi serious bakazi bange bonna bakuŋŋaana abali mu miti abali luddawa babalabeko n'omwana ojja naye baby
bakulabe.
Yes, you are no longer in charge. Then abakulabako mugwe naye gwe omwana mukazi gwe omwana gwe tutalaba konga kitaabu mulwadde gwatajjanga n'omulwadde ojja otya nti mwana wa wano this is what Luto why has managed. The Kikuyus knew the Kikuyus faced two challenges. One, Uhuru is no longer in charge. Tewali jebali musanga. Muzimu. The Kikuyus could not bank their future on a retiring president. If Uhuru had decided to go back to election, kubaba jabonna na goba Luto na leta Raila Odinga as a vice president, ejo yali yiseewo neto yinza kulekera Luto Uhuru Odinga n'omulekera gwanga ye buli government y'abannaji kuba ngono bwatu kuba nono namulabi tugende wa Luto atuwe sente. And this is where we are going to do. If Ugandan strategists don't address two issues, one, how to deal with Ruto, mugenda kufuna a worse President Kagame. Ruto relocated his businesses here. Why? They were threatened in Kenya. Now he's in charge. Echo mukitegere. Oli yewogomye wuwo oboze muwasa. Ante bulira omukazi addukire wa muliraanwa nga bamukuba az'omukwane obaze for safety. Why did Ruto relocate his businesses in Uganda? They were threatened in Kenya. Now he's in charge.
Tanabera bulungi in charge kuba tannalayira.
Mbo bagenda kuwaaba.
Bulira nga bawaaba oyo awaaba buli lunaku. Gwegwe babba. Gwe mukazi wona akomawo n'akoga nti wayi musajja ankutte naluli ankutte.
Ekiva.